Gusto mo bang i-level up ang sarap na mga paborito mong pagkain? Mabuti na lang at na-discover ko ang DHL Foods Ready-to-Use Cooking Spicy Sauce. Napansin ko na sumarap ang mga lutuin ko, gaya ng favorite naming sweet and spicy prawns with lemon. Convenient to use, flavorful at affordable din. Each bucket contains 1 kilo of rich and flavorful sauce, perfect for personal or commercial use. Made from carefully selected chili, bean paste, spices, vegetable oil, brewing soy sauce, and ginger garlic for an authentic and bold taste. Whether you're preparing classic, stir-fried dishes, braised meats, noodle bowls, or even fusion cuisine, DHL Foods Spicy Sauce adds an exciting kick that enhances every bite. Try nyo na rin. Check out via Yellow Basket.